इन्होंने भी डिसाइड किया कि ये भी कलमा पढ़ना चाहते हैं. Have you decided to recite the shahada as well? Welcome, please. Decide after me, please. Say ashhadu an la ilaha
أشهد أن لا إله
illallah.
إلا الله.
I bear witness
I bear witness.
there is none worthy of worship. There is none worthy of worship
There is none who be worshipped
except Allah.
except Allah.
Wa ashhadu anna
وأشهد أن
Muhammadan
محمدا
abduhu
عبده
wa rasuluhu.
ورسوله.
And I bear witness
And I bear witness
that Prophet Muhammad
that Prophet Muhammad
is
is
his final messenger
his final messenger
and his servant.
and his servant.
Jazakumullah.